welcome to the Softhealer technology. In this video we will see how you can audit your backdate. So through the boolean of enable backdate audit login. Now go to cell order. Now create new one. Select customer and select product. Confirm the order. Validate the delivery. Now create invoice. Confirm the invoice. Now select mass as assign backdate. Select date. Apply. Now add remark. Now confirm the button. Here you can see remark added and history here show. This button show backdate logs. Here you can see all detail here, as well as you can see in delivery. Here this is history and this is log, and invoice this is history, and here you can see your log. Also you can see all log here.